To me, the AquaPoint difference is really in our services. Every wastewater treatment system is unique and has to go through various stages from initial proposal to design, plan review, permitting, ultimately manufacturing, installation, and commissioning. There are a lot of milestones to be met along the way, and we really strive to be involved heavily at each stage to ensure a successful project.
AquaPoint services almost every aspect of the wastewater industry, from simple residential projects through commercial, high-strength waste, food and beverage industry, military, municipal, and government. We bring a full range of comprehensive services to bear on each project. You're also dealing directly with the manufacturer, so it allows us to pay attention to every detail, full quality control, and also be very cost-effective with our equipment.
I'd encourage somebody to partner with AquaPoint because you're not just getting a product, you're getting a relationship for the long term.